Hi friend, in this video I will discuss about sheet metals of no band command, rip command and insert band command. So all the last three command we will go through one by one. So before going to apply this command, let me draw a sketch. So I'll choose the right plane, select a sketch, draw one center rectangle like this, select OK, and you can give a dimension. I'll give it 300, and this length I'll give a 150. OK. Now just exit from the sketch, and you can move for draw one solid extrude part. So just extrude the box base, and just extrude up to 100. You can give 140. Okay. Select OK. Now this is the solid body, so I'll create a cell here. So select the cell, and I'll choose, this is the face, and we'll give it the cell 5 mm diameter. Now let's create a cell here. Okay, so this is the cell. So now is a kind of sheet metals, but it is not a sheet metal. It is a solid part, but it look like sheet metal. So now what you have to do, just go to sheet metal, and now we have two commands. One is the rip command and insert command. So first we'll choose rip command. Select the rip command, and rip command means if you select the face and edge, which edge you will select, so that edge they will give a your own choice, whatever you want to give a gap. So the edge they will give a gap, so it's a kind of edge flange of you can say the corner, you can say the corner gap. So I'll give the corner gap through this rip command. So select this corner. So see, we have these two directions. If you want to give a single direction, you can give, or else you can give this direction, you can change, or else if you want to give the both directions, select the change the you can change from here like this, change the direction. So I'll give both direction, and the difference between this corner gap I'll give a 2 mm. Now just click OK. You can see gap here. So this process of this process is called rip command in sheet metals. Again I will choose this one. So select the rip, and choose this edge, and gap you can give 2. Select OK. Now you can see there is a gap here. Okay, so this is called rip command. Now I will apply insert command. So just undo, again undo. Now I will apply this insert command. Insert command means select the face, and whichever the part you will selected, that part they will give a cut, and remaining part will be give as it is corner. So suppose I'll select this face, then you need to select the rip. So I'll select this rip, and direction you can change, single direction, unit direction, or both direction, and you can give a gap distance of this corner gap. I'll give it 3. Okay, and again if you will select this face also, this edge also, so you can give it this gap of this corner, then you select OK. Okay, now see there is a gap here, this corner and this corner. of through this insert band. And if you click this no band, so sorry, no band, this insert band, so this is called insert band. And again, if you'll apply this insert to this face, select this face, insert, select this face, I think you need to go back. Rip of this corner, okay. Now insert of this face and rip this side, select okay. So this is the band, and if you click no band means apply rip then one corner, and second corner if you apply this insert band, then it will the part will be like this. And if you click no band, so automatically all the part will become again. See, I'll give you another example. Let me see. Just go back again, go back. Okay, now see, this is the whole cell part. So now what you have to do, just click the rip one edge. So suppose I'll select this edge, and I'll give a distance of this corner 2. Okay, now again you apply this insert and select this face and give a select this face and select the rip. You can select this rip also. Okay, now see this part, whichever part you are given corner, that corner of metal plate will be as it is, remaining part will be deleted. And if you click this no band, so automatically all part will be come out. I'll give you another example. Just go back, undo. Okay, again undo. Okay, now apply this rip of this edge, select OK, and corner distance 2 mm, and again you select insert band and select this face, and I'll give a rip parameter this corner, and if you select this corner, so all the part will be keep as it is. And if you are not selecting, so this face will be deleted. So just click OK. Now see, so just click the no band, so automatically all the part will be come out. Okay, so this is called no band command in sheet metal, rip command in sheet metals, insert band in sheet metals. So I think this is the last video of sheet metals. Until that I have completed all the commands of sheet metals. So in coming video we'll get back to another commands, direct editing, DIM expert, SolidWorks add, SolidWorks MBD, SolidWorks inspection, SolidWorks motion analysis. So all the rest of the commands will be moved for another video. Okay, thank you.